Hey everybody, this is Missy with Flip My Cycle. I am one of the mechanics here. Today we're going to start doing how-to videos. We're calling this the Tips with Text Tuesdays. And we're going to start off with how to properly check your oil with different model motorcycles. Why is it important to check your oil on a regular basis? Time, excessive heat, weather change, and other factors will degrade your oil over a period of time. We recommend that you change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. It's just like your car. So please do that. First, you want to make sure that your engine is at operating temperature. It is preferred not to let the motorcycle sit there and warm up, but take it on a short ride. That way your engine oil gets to that operating temperature. And then you want to let it sit for a moment, a couple minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, to let that oil level get back down to where it's supposed to be. And then you can proceed to check your oil. Okay, so now we are going to show you on 3 different model bikes how to properly check your oil, whether it's by Dipstick or sight glass. Okay everybody, so here's an Aprilia. This is a 2018. This is your fill plug, which just unscrews. That's where you'll fill your oil. This is your dipstick. Now this dipstick usually screws, you'll have to unscrew it. Now to check the oil though, go ahead and start unscrewing it. Then you want your bike to be level. Okay, so you'll have to pull it up off the kickstand like this. Now, if you're not handy like that and you have one of those awesome motorcycle jacks that will jack it up and keep it level, that's great too. Then you want to pull your dipstick out. Okay. You want to wipe it down, wipe the excess off. All right, you want to stick it back in while it's level. You do not screw it in, you just stick it in. Pull it back out. And that's the level that you want it to be at. So the oil on this looks good. It's amber in color, so there's no need for an oil change. And it's at the perfect mark, which is right here. That is your full level on the Aprilia. Okay everybody, this is a Kawasaki Ninja 650, and a lot of your metric sport bikes are going to be like this. You'll see the sight glass. This is your bottom low end line, and this is your full mark. Okay, so it's sitting on the kickstand right now, so you're not going to see any oil level registering. This is your oil fill cap, which unscrews. Okay, this is where you will add oil if need be. Screw it back in. Always make sure that whenever you screw your caps back on that they are tight. Not over tight, but tight. You don't want any oil spewing out of there. Okay, so with this type of check, you're going to raise up the bike to a level. And as you can tell, you see the oil level coming up. And it is at the perfect mark where it's supposed to be. It should be anywhere between here and here, preferably here. That's perfect. And you can also see the oil color on this is actually very good, so there's no need for an oil change at this moment. If it's anything lower than this, especially this line, you will want to fill your oil. Okay, this is a 2016 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. Now, most of your Harleys are pretty much going to be the same way. You have your oil canister here. This is your oil filler tube with dipstick. This is where you will check your oil at. So you'll pull it. This is what you will see. Check on side stand. It has different marks. And as we said before, make sure your motorcycle is at operating temperature before checking. You have a fill line and a full hot line. You'll stick it back in, pull it back out, and there you go. And that's your line. At the same time, you're looking at the oil, what color it is, and this oil color is actually very good. So there's no need to change it or fill it for that matter. I'll stick it back in. Make sure it's on there tight, and there you go. And it's good to go. One more last tip for today, do not overfill your engine oil. What happens is if you overfill it, it causes aeration to go on in your oil, and your oil pump will not be able to pump aerated oil. It causes your engine to also overheat that way. So please be very, very careful when you are adding your oil, and constantly check the level as you're adding. Thank you for watching our Tips with Tex Tuesdays. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And you can also let us know if you want us to make videos on anything else in particular. Don't forget to follow us, and we will see you guys soon.